Finding specific Forex pairs on TradingView is straightforward once you know where to narrow the list properly. Open the symbol search window from the chart, then switch to the Forex category. From there, use the filter or broker selection area to refine the results and choose Trade Nation as the source. Once that is applied, the list updates to show the Forex instruments available through that provider rather than every version of the pair from the wider market. This is the simplest way to avoid selecting the wrong price feed. Pairs such as Euro against the US dollar or Pound against the US dollar can appear more than once in TradingView, so filtering by provider helps ensure that you are viewing the Trade Nation version of that market. After that, you can use the search bar to type the pair you want, such as Euro dollar, Pound dollar, or dollar yen, and select it directly from the filtered list. That keeps the process quick and clean, especially if you are moving between several Forex charts. So the key point is simple. Open symbol search, go to Forex, apply the provider filter for Trade Nation, then search for the pair you want. That gives you the correct Trade Nation Forex market on the chart with far less guesswork.